when to plant iris bulbs. Iris is an easy-to-grow perennial. Flowers grow on slender stems with green dagger leaves. Iris bloom in rainbow colors from white or yellow to maroon and purple. Over 200 varieties ranging from 4 inches to 5 feet tall reward gardeners with years of blooms. Plant iris in a sunny area. 6 or more sunny hours a day is ideal. Plant in well-drained soil to prevent bulb or root rot. Iris will tolerate a wide range of soil such as sand, clay or loam that has no standing water. Plant new iris when they are dormant or not growing. Best planting seasons are summer and autumn for spring blooming flowers. Divide overgrown iris beds into smaller clumps or individual iris in spring before leaves and flowers mature. Plant the divisions immediately for summer growth. When a friend gives you sprouting iris bulbs or tubers, plant them immediately, no matter the season. They are growing and need soil. Most iris plants are low maintenance. Watch for signs of slugs or pests. Divide crowded iris beds to spread the colorful blooms.